Time for Mr. Truck, reviewing the latest innovations for your truck and trailer.
Just like that, we're at another day. Our trailer's all hooked up and we're just about ready to go. But first things first, we got to show you what we got here in the cluster, because this has got a couple special toys for towing. So you come down here and you see this towing status, and you can see your gain, and when you hit the brake, it'll actually show you how much is being used while you apply the brake, and you can adjust that down with the adjustable pedal. Right now I got the 4-wheel drive activated because it's currently monsoon season here in Georgia, so you're gonna get stuck if you don't got 4-wheel drive in a field. The nice thing is you can see what kind of angle you got as far as if your truck's gonna pitch down, which this one currently is, but we're at a level right now where it's kind of even at the moment. Come down, you can set up your trailer. It'll tell you how many miles that you've done with the trailer on, and your average fuel economy during that moment. Let's see, all sorts of stuff. All your lights, it goes through, does a check, doesn't actually flash them, and then you set up your trailer and you can go through. It's like, okay, what have I done? Well, I got a conventional pull behind. Yep, it's locked. Definitely. Yep, that's everything's good to go there. Safety chains are connected. A little bit of pain on this particular tongue. So tongue jack raised. Oh yeah. Mirrors adjusted. Oh, let's move them out. Bam, adjusted. Alrighty, gain set. And yeah, I don't understand this one here. Okay, so leave out. All right, so now we're going to leave it here in towing status for the duration of this. You ready, beautiful?
Yep. You ready, Joe? Okay, she's not functional this morning.
Oh, she's not ready today, huh? We've broken the child.
You have broken the child.
Okay, so we're gonna have to reboot her, right?
Yes.
Reboot
you know,
her.
you probably were thinking, right, when you took the trash out, because if you're going that way.
Oh, I am.
Are you?
Wouldn't that be the perfect opportunity to use some of that?
Oh, true.
Because here's what else we can do. If we put the delay on, okay, and we change it to this, so we'll use some of the fancy toys on this thing, and we'll see how we can do to get out and around here.
Hey, look, they can see a trash.
Yep. All right, let's get it out of 4 drive. Out of 4. Well, no, we are not out of 4-wheel drive. Now we're out of 4 drive. Nope, we're still in. Okay. So what was that, dear? I didn't quite hear you about the oh, you can add reverse guidance in here with a trailer. We're gonna have to play with that. What do you think?
Are you in 2-wheel drive?
I am.
Okay.
It just took a while for everything to disengage.
Gotcha.
Everything pulls, you know, pretty smooth. Trailer's setting level. It took a minute to get that right. But, yeah, outstanding. Oh, that Georgia's finest right there.
Oh. Well, it's not a huge oversized load.
Oh, no.
Oh, you're talking about that. I was talking about the oversized.
Oh, no. I was looking at the bear. Because, unfortunately...
That's a Stady, too.
Oh, yeah.
We're rolling around with Michigan plates.
Well, we are secure.
Well, yeah, I know, but...
I mean, I think there's one tire that might not be 1,000% secure, but it's kind of shoved up against the frame rail, so it's not going anywhere. So let's set her in tow haul. Now, I've been running around in Eco trying to save fuel. I'm not exactly sure how well that's doing. But, yeah, this thing does not lack for power.
No, you can't even really tell there's a trailer on it.
Oh, no.
Until you look behind you and you're like, whoa.
Or, you know, the trailer hits the rumble strips a little bit there.
Oh, well, yeah.
Now, I will say this. This transmission seems to work a lot better when it has all that weight that it has to pull. Empty, it's like, okay, alright, fine, we're working, but we need to be working harder. That's what the transmission wants to tell me the entire time. But when we put 10,000 pounds behind it, then it's like, okay,
yeah.
Now we're happy.
Right. Sorry.
Oh, that's alright. We still got another tongue weight. We're pretty there on tongue weight. So we're pretty much maxed out because we don't have a weight distribution hitch. But weight that's actually pulling is like 3/4 of what it's able to do.
Right.
Now here's the funny thing about that, right? This thing can haul 15,200 pounds with the way it's configured. And even with all the extra tongue weight from that truck on there, which is ironically enough a 7.3 powered F250. Now, it's not touching the overloads.
Right.
So it's, yeah, we're still good to go. We still got plenty of suspension travel before we get into that, but
Random side note.
yes.
Which truck would you rather drive? The one we are currently driving, or would you rather fix the one that is on the trailer and drive that one?
That's a tough choice. But you know what? I hate to have to say this because I've got so much other stuff that gets me what I'm after in that. I think I'd have to pick this.
I was just,
Yeah.
because I just was like, well, you know, you like the older trucks, so.
Oh, I do. I love the older trucks. But between the two, I think a 7.3 power gas job. I'd have to go for the Lariat with the crew cab because with a crew cab, it's the only way to get the LED lights, and I like those.
And ventilated seats.
Yes, the ventilated seats, the dual
Taco.
climate, yeah,
Sorry.
the dual climate control, and yeah, I'd say that's kind of, it's on the important side there.
Right.
But we're gonna go ahead, and we should be where we need to go pulling at pretty soon here. So it's gonna be another one of those. So just like that, we're back, right?
We're back.
All right.
Let's
magic.
tow.
All right. I go up and around some of the local hills. It's not much, but it's enough to kind of give you an idea as to how this thing will do, considering the slow speed. It's kind of windy. You had to talk about motion sickness earlier, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure that you're going to be good on this truck because it's pretty solid and planted.
I like a firm suspension.
I know you do. It's probably not the only thing you like that's firm.
Daniel. PG-13.
Oh, trust me, dear. I'm pretty sure they'll know what we're talking about.
Hey, look, that's for sale.
Yeah, this thing's doing pretty good.
It is.
I mean, for our area, this is actually pretty decent. It's about 2 degrees.
Well, it got up to 3.
Yeah.
3 degrees up bubble.
Yay. I am rubbing off on you, ain't I?
Oh, no, actually, I was kind of looking at the movie. What is the name of that movie?
Down Periscope.
Oh, yeah.
Love that movie. We should probably watch that.
Yeah. We should also probably watch Frozen 2 with Joe.
Oh, you think so, huh?
Yeah. Oh.
See, you know what would be awesome is to go up the couple of hills that they have in here. You think they'd let us in?
Probably not with the coronavirus stuff.
You think so?
I think so.
It looks open. And our favorite guy on the chair's not there either.
Lucy's hidden.
He's good at that. Alright, we get to make another tight left. How's your sickness?
Yeah, fine.
Get it, come on, get up. Come on, get down with the sickness. Alright, another past 90-degree turn coming up. Now this is a narrow road.
Yes.
I think we're total 9 foot wide.
Yes. Did you bring your semi on this road before?
Yes. Yes, I have.
I mean, we know it's doable.
Oh yeah, it's doable. But then again, when I did it with the semi, I was trying to scout stuff. You know, like there's an old cop car.
Of course. Of course.
It's an 84. Forget what year it is, but we don't need another one. We're good there.
No, you just got another one.
Ooh, doesn't that just sound so good?
It does.
Girl.
So, just for the viewers that are watching, what is our average fuel economy right now?
Well, we're averaging 11.7. It's a lot of city. But we've been in the single digits.
Oh yeah, like 8 point something.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
And ask me, how does that make my heart feel?
So, baby, how does that make your heart?
It breaks it. It's the big one, Elizabeth.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well,
But-
let's go over into the fuel economy on this thing.
Oh my.
So, we've averaged 9.8 on this tank, and we've only gone 163 miles.
Oh.
We've got 142 estimated to go.
Oh god. Oh.
Does that make you feel good?
No. It makes me feel good that my debit card is not feeling it.
Oh, God, yeah. Thank you, Ford, for lending us this truck to test out, but oh my goodness. You know what? Towing this thing goes about as far as the Ranger does when empty.
Yep.
I don't even know how big the tank is on this thing. You know, looking at the Monroney on this thing, let's see.
You want me to look?
No, you'll get yourself sick like you do. Okay, so as tested, because they staple these things together. The options. Okay, so it's got the ultimate package, which is how you get some of those fancy things. It's got
Puppies for sale.
Oh, good grief. Poor Beasley. $68,905 on this thing.
You just gave me the perfect how to get another dog.
Why?
Because we have to honor Beasley's legacy.
No.
Come on.
No.
Yeah.
No. No.
Dad, I can chase you today if you want.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I
If you
see.
don't do it for Beasley.
Wrong time to bring it up.
I'd say so. As soon as we get home, we'll take off the trailer and we'll fill this thing back up. Give it a light wiping. We'll return it and go, thank you. You have taught us many things. It's a bit froggy out today.
It is.
Hi.
Actually, we've been having spells down here of really, really dense fog.
So here's the question. Who's more dense, me or the fog?
You.
Are we sure about this?
We're on camera, so I'm not gonna elaborate on that one.
Alright, folks. Well, I'll tell you what. we've kind of gone through a lot of the cornering and everything else like that. We'll join you back right at the house. Okay, just about back home again. Now, how would you describe the ground right now?
It's wet. It's soggy.
A little wet or a lot of wet?
A lot of wet.
A lot of wet.
You get stuck.
Yeah? So what's a good thing to have?
4x4.
Alright.
Especially for the maroons who drive in my nice pretty yard.
Well, we got the 4-wheel drive on. We'll lock the rear end. And these are decently aggressive enough tires to handle all this.
Right.
They're not mud grips, but they're okay.
Yeah, I mean,
there are times you can feel things moving around. Like, it's like, okay, much more of this and we're pretty much done for.
yeah, just need to park the trailer. I know the truck will get out.
Oh yeah, I got nothing about truck.
There's big red.